my top box, chain lube, GoPro, my lovely helmet, my ever-loving tank bag, Rhinox, the knee guard. Time 5:55 a.m. in the morning.
Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.
Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you're doing absolutely crazy and fine. Yeah, it's a Sunday morning, so सुबह उठा just it is around 5:45 a.m. in the morning, and when I woke up I thought चलो कहीं पे कुछ चलते हैं. Let's go for a small breakfast ride. So I called one of my friend Nikhil Sharma. You would have seen Nikhil in most of his vlogs. So Nikhil के साथ Nikhil, the ride participants would be Nikhil's wife, his son on his bike, and on my bike me, my wife, my daughter. So ऐसा है कि we are just going for a small ride. It's around 100 kilometers going and 100 kilometers coming back. So हम यहाँ से अभी निकल रहे हैं because I need to fix my top box first. कुछ material उसमें डालना है, and after that यहाँ से we will be leaving towards होसूर होके we will be going to कृष्णगिरी में there is a Saravana Bhavan over there on the highway, and it's a very good restaurant. If you guys are regular on the Bangalore Chennai highway, you will know which restaurant I'm talking about. So वहाँ पे breakfast करना है, डोसा, and coming back to Bangalore. So no top box. 1, 2, 3 and right now time is 7:02. 7 बज गया. We were supposed to leave somewhere by around 6:30. थोड़ा लेट हो गया, but anyway the place we are going is Saravana Bhavan. Saravana Bhavan is exactly 95 kilometers from my house. So yeah, that's Nikhil, Meenakshi's son. Well, the temple which I was talking about is on my left actually. ये है जो the temple, and there's a very famous temple, very old one. I have gone twice over here. अच्छा लगता है कभी भी ये पहाड़ के ऊपर. कभी next time when I'm on a weekend I'll definitely take you over there. जाके एक राउंड लगा के आएंगे, which is nice. So we are just leaving the border of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. This side is Karnataka, the other side is Tamil Nadu. The last fireworks station, the last Balaji wholesale MRP shop. People who drink, they can definitely approach here. इसके बाद drinks are not favorable. Well, the place we are crossing is Krishnagiri Hills. ये पूरा mountain range है, and these are all elephant crossings. So they say to ride very slow, and yeah, that's Nikhil who is riding the Pulsar Ace. So there's a forest area, so go slow, they say it. have reached our destination. The Saravana Bhavan is over here. Now दोस्त से पूछ लेते हैं, shall we go to Murugan Idli or not? यहाँ पे खाएगा ना, there is another one called Murugan Idli. यही खा लेंगे. चलो. This restaurant is something where we always keep on coming. ये मेरा शायद 4th or 5th time I'm coming over here. So what we'll do is that we'll have a breakfast and then proceed. So we have reached Saravana Hotel now, and it is around 68-69 kilometers away from my house. So one table is completely filled up with the gadgets, with helmets and tank bags and all, jackets. So we have ordered around dosa, idli, vada and all. This is one of the best restaurant on this line. After this, another 7 kilometers we have got a Murugan Idli. So Murugan Idli यहाँ से करीब 7-8 किलोमीटर पे है. But let us have here first, and next week maybe we would be going to Murugan Idli.
A few moments later.
Well, we just had our breakfast now and ready for the move. From here we would be going directly to Bangalore. Well, it's almost 1 hour we had a break. 1 घंटा हो गया break लेके. Saravana Bhavan. See you again soon. So now we'll take a U-turn and back towards Bangalore क्योंकि इधर हो गया. Breakfast for me, I had dosa, idli and one coffee. That's the border. We entered Karnataka. Front of us is the Electronic City toll gate. ये भाई साहब क्या कर रहा है? हाँ, Electronic City का toll gate आगे है. So what we'll do is that we'll take via Electronic City because हमको आगे जाना नहीं है. We'll enter to our house. So we'll take the service road and we'll enter via Electronic City phase 1 and then we'll go. What I'll do is that I'll wait for my friend. मेरा दोस्त के लिए थोड़ा wait करते हैं and फिर आगे proceed करेंगे. The first vehicle from where I learnt, Premier Padmini. This would be 1960s model from where I learnt my driving. Finally reached home. It's almost 11:49 and kilometer is 145 kilometers, 146 rather. Back home. How was the ride? Good. Bubu, how was the ride? मीनाक्षी का फर्स्ट राइड विद अस, कैसा लगा? टायरिंग. ओनली 146 किलोमीटर. तुमको अच्छा है? मजा आया? हैड अ गुड राइड इन KTM. So with this we complete the ride. It was 146 kilometer. It's around 11:40 AM in the morning and we reached. Now the time is for me to clean the car because from tomorrow again the work starts. So with that said guys, thank you for watching this vlog and being a part of this vlog. I will see you tomorrow. Until then, God bless you. See you. Bye bye. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up on the video. Until then, bye bye and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.